Hey guys, it's Haley. I'm just here to introduce myself. This is like the first video I've made, besides the one of me getting my nose pierced. Turned out pretty good. You're gonna meet my dogs, my sister, not my other family because they're all psycho. So this is Taylor.
Hi.
And well, we'll start off with Boots. Go grab Boots for me, Taylor.
Hi,
No, she's on the chair. We'll get to Chloe in a minute.
Chloe is the star of the show.
No, she's not. Alright. This is my Chihuahua / Jack Russell mix. Her name is Bootsy.
Bootsy! And that way.
And we've
Protective as...
Yeah, she's our guard dog.
Even
and we've had her for about 4 years.
see if they can find Chloe.
And then the dog right there with his head sticking out of...
It's a she!
I just said... Well, that's Chloe. She's a Boston Terrier. And we've had her for about...
3 years?
3 years.
She's about 4.
But, no, she's like 6.
Don't correct me. I'm the owner, I know.
Now go get Buster wherever he is.
That fat, lazy mutt is probably laying on the floor and find something to eat.
Go find him.
Why don't you stop filling your mouth and you go do it? Hi.
Buster, you lazy butt.
Told you. Hi, Chloe. Yeah. Off she goes. Dog! What are you doing?
Oh God, Buster!
Welcome, the world's laziest dog in the world.
Yeah, he is like super lazy. He will not walk unless you make him. But he's a good dog. His name is Buster. He is a pit bull.
Oh, and the last but not least dog, Haley.
Don't touch me. And
We're not from YouTube.
Buster, we're not really sure how old he is, but stop licking my toes.
Watch Chloe.
But
Watch Chloe.
pretty sure
Watch
he's
Chloe.
like,
Okay,
I don't know. I really don't know.
Haley, watch, show him this. Watch it, Chloe. Watch it, Chloe. Watch it.
She won't do it unless there's somebody she doesn't know in the house. So.
Okay, watch this.
So I guess
Watch Haley.
I'll do an update later. Bye.